There's nothing in the car, Mummy, is there?
No, nothing in
No.
the car.
Right, what's this? Go on, Alf.
Abracadabra.
Right, now open the car door, Alf. Show Mummy. Look, Mummy, there's nothing in the car, is there?
What is it?
A dog.
Whose doggy is it?
No.
Who's that? The magic trick worked.
We do it.
We did it.
Yeah.
Say hello then.
Hello.
It's your doggy.
What?
It's yours.
This is your surprise.
Oh,
What do you think?
go.
Do you love him?
Strokey, say hello then.
Hello.
He's called Woody. He is. What do you think?
Go. Thank you, Mummy. Where do you find him?
We brought him for you.
Hey, hello.
What do you say?
Thank you, Mummy. Thank you for.
Put it in, put the stick down.
Here
Put the
you
stick
go.
down. Very careful. Hold him then, hold him. Got him?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Do you think he loves me?
I think he loves you.